Hey everyone, welcome back to the craft room. It's time to get spooky. Today we're going to make 4 adorable layered Halloween cards using just paper scraps, foam tape, glue, and my spooky SVG designs. Here's what you'll need: a few sheets of cardstock or leftover paper scraps, some foam tape for layering, glue, and of course, your cutting machine loaded with my spooky SVG files. Don't worry if your scraps are small. These designs are perfect for using up every little piece. Once everything's cut, start layering the pieces together with a bit of foam tape for that fun 3D pop. For our first card, we got this sparkly ghost floating over a webby background. I just love how the shimmer paper makes it come alive. Add your Halloween title at the bottom and you're done. Because these cards are perfect for scraps, use any color you like and see how it turns out. Card number 2 is all about bold letters and bright colors. Layer the Happy Halloween frame on top. Then pop your ghost in the center. Simple but super cute. I use foam tape for the frame, so it gets that instant 3D effect. This frame can also be the base for you to use with other Halloween characters. You can also use it as a photo frame for your scrapbook. As I mentioned before, you can use any color you like. But for the ghost, I made the middle layer always black, so the eyes pop. Add your ghost in the middle. This is another great one for foam tape. It makes the ghost stand out beautifully. And just like that, you've got another fun layered card perfect for Halloween greetings or even party invites. For our next card, we're making something a little cuter. A ghost with rosy cheeks, a pink bow, and the word spooky. I'm using the same orange and black background combo for consistency, but you can mix it up however you like. Start with your background layers and use the foam tape. With this card, I put the foam tape on all the pieces. I wanted to give that 3D effect. Start with your background layers, then attach the ghost with foam tape. Add the bow near the top for a sweet touch, and use some blush cardstock or a pink marker for the cheeks. Finally, glue down your spooky word at the bottom. I'm going with green and purple for a fun twist on the classic Halloween colors. Now, we add the blushy cheeks, and just like that, you've got another fun layered card perfect for Halloween greetings or even party invites. Card number 4 is this adorable ghost with a purple witch hat and the word bow. Start by layering your background. I'm using orange at the back and on top a black glitter frame. Again, I put the foam tape on all the elements first so I can layer everything easily. Now glue down the BOO letters along the side. This one's simple but super bold and bright. I love how the purple and orange pop against each other. Then place the ghost in the middle using foam tape again for some lift. And there you have it, 4 different layered spooky cards made entirely for paper scraps. Each one has its own little personality. Hey, thanks so much for crafting along with me today. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun paper crafts and spooky designs. You can find these SVG files and more in my shop. The link's down in the description.